camera. Say something. There's Lucy, Connor, Charlie.
Eating time at the zoo.
Connor's funny comments. Is there a zoom on this?
No, manual zoom.
Like this. There's Charlie.
He doesn't like giving it up for the burps.
Are we gonna film a burp?
Let's give this to Lucy while she's waiting. She takes some of it.
No concern about germs there. Hey, Luce.
You're on camera now, Charlie. International burps.
Hey, buddy. Charlie. Whoa, yay.
He's showing off now.
Hello. You have really baggy cheeks. Hey, Char. Hi.
So, back to the bottle. Try and get the head check.
Oh, okay. He might not do it when he's not as hungry.
Yeah.
Is he doing it to his bib? You're teasing him. Stop being mean. Charlie. Has he got it? There he goes. Those are the little grunting noises Charlie likes to make. Like a little piggy. Are you a piggy?
These little spotties. The mom said I had them.
Are we filming the baby acne?
I had them after 6 weeks, Kay said.
Really? For how long?
A few weeks, I think.
You can't really see it.
There they are. They're kind of cleared up now a bit.
We're blaming that on Debbie for her laundry detergent. Just kidding, Mom. Not really, though. He's still adorable. I'm going to stop this because it's going on kind of long and it's kind of boring.
That's got everything it needs, I guess.
Okay.
The burping and feeding.
Till next
You
time.
want to say goodbye, Charlie?
Bye-bye.